Now, over the years, I quite often noticed that a lot of my friends in China would wear red for special occasions, whether that be for festivals, for performances, or even for weddings. I noticed a lot of my friends and colleagues wearing red, and I thought, wow, that's beautiful. I love red as well. It's my favorite color to wear just in everyday life, but also on stage. What I didn't realize is that the color red has a very special symbolism in traditional Chinese culture, and that has all to do with good luck and good fortune. So guess why I'm wearing red today? That's right, it's the 1st of October. That means it's China National Day. This is a big public holiday in China, and it falls on the same day every year. That's the 1st of October. It just happens to coincide as well with the traditional Mid-Autumn Festival. So beginning from the 1st of October, everyone in China basically has a week off, and that week is called Golden Week. That's an opportunity for friends and family to rest and recuperate, as well as to celebrate together and to reunite and to just enjoy each other's company. Now, in 2018, I was very lucky to spend Golden Week in Nanjing, performing and celebrating with my friends and colleagues there. And then again in 2019, I was very fortunate to be in Xi'an recording this song with some wonderful colleagues. It's called 我爱你中国. That's I love you China. So I hope you enjoy the song, and I wish everyone a happy China National Day.